Dual hinge, easy to adjust angle, flexible and foldable, carry the phone stand along with you. Big, thick base, stable sturdy, aluminum alloy material, durable reliable. Supports 7.9 max phone with a thickness of 0.42, compatible with iPhone 14 Pro Max, Samsung Ultra S22. Opening for charging cable, stand your phone while charging. Covered with silicone pads, scratches free and slippery proof. Top reviews from the United States. Lighter than previous standard version, good one. I don't buy those cheaper ones from street shops. This one is the nicest one I ever used. And yes, easy to bring for business travel. It's a bit expensive, but can't find better from cheaper ones. Excellent product. The UGreen cell phone desk stand is an excellent product. It supports my iPhone 11 Pro Max with a full Otter Box Defender series case. The stand can easily be adjusted to your preferred angle. I certainly will buy again. This would make a perfect quality gift.